So dividing out a negative 1 changes negative r to positive r and minus 5 to plus 5. So now we have our lengths or widths, the same, r plus 5, and the other dimension, n minus 1. And you can kind of recognize ahead of time if you're going to need to divide out a negative 1, because the signs will be kind of unusual. So let's look at another example. Okay, so again, we don't have a common denominator that we can take out of everything. Since we have 4 terms, I'm going to go ahead and split this into pairs, see if I can factor by grouping. So the first 2 terms, I can divide out a 2 and an m. When I divide out 2mk by 2m, I'm left with k. Negative 12m divided by 2m is negative 6. The green pair of terms, I can divide 42 and 7 by a 7, and I will only need to take out a positive 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6. Negative 7k divided by 7 is negative k. So like I said before, these factors in parentheses need to be exactly the same. They look kind of the same, but let's examine them and see if they really are. That k is positive. Over here the k is negative. So you can see that actually these signs are exactly opposite, because this 6 is negative, this 6 is positive. So what looked like we'd be able to take out a positive 7 actually is going to need to be a negative 7, because I need to change that 6 to a negative 6 and the k to a positive k. Now they're the same. Now they don't even look the same, but they are the same. The like factors in the parentheses are k minus 6, and what's left is 2m minus 7. Okay, last example of factoring by grouping. (3p minus 2p squared minus 18p plus 27. Okay, so let's do this. 3p and negative 2p squared. The only thing I could take out is a positive p. That leaves me 3 minus 2p when I take out a positive p of the first 2 factors, first 2 terms. Negative 18 and positive 27. I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb and take out a negative 9. Negative 18p divided by negative 9 is positive 2p. 27 divided by negative 9 is negative 3. I went out on the wrong limb. Okay, if you notice, my signs are exactly opposite what I need to do inside those parentheses. So instead of taking out a negative 9, all I have to do to change the sign is change the sign of what I divided by. Now, negative 18 divided by positive 9 is negative 2p. 27 divided by 9 is positive 3. So I have 3 minus 2p, and then p plus 9. Okay, so here are some practice problems. I was used to scrolling with my finger. Here are some practice problems for you. If it will let me scroll, maybe not. I'll just erase. Two xy plus 7x minus 2y minus 7. These are going to be factored by grouping. 15a minus 3ab plus 4b minus 20. And let's see, c minus 2cd plus 8d minus 4. And let's do one more. 3np plus 15p minus 4n minus 20. All right, have fun factoring.